Test the backing, backing test, bop bop.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, turn this guy off real quick. Those are some exhaust clips. I didn't really know. Dude, do not talk in my video. I thought to do like just a standard video on where you can hear the exhaust in different scenarios. I'm so happy and satisfied with the exhaust. It's probably one of the best decisions I made on my car. It's insane, the difference from stock to that. Actually, I take that back. I think you need a downpipe. I don't think you should get a catback first. I'm thinking downpipe because the cat is what kills it for me. But yeah, I'm gonna do a separate review, like, I don't know, like a 4 or 5 month review on this exhaust. All I can say is it's so worth it. It's like one of the best ones you can buy. You can get an unvalved version too, but I recommend the valved because it does get pretty annoying. I did get a new toy. I mean, this isn't really a toy, it's like a piece of filmmaking gear, so I did end up selling my other drone because I feel like this one fits the style of videos that I produce better. The other drone is still amazing. I might end up buying another one in the future, but as of right now, this is the type of drone footage that I need for my content. I'm gonna be honest, I might be a little dark. Nah, we're good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think we literally just hit 100 subs, so I really do appreciate all that support. I think my first 5 subs, no, not even. I think like my first 3 subs came from like a few family members and that's it, but now we're at 100, which doesn't seem like a lot, but that's crazy to think about 100 subs. Hey, I think you guys enjoy the content. I'm gonna try and push some more out. The weather's just getting worse. This video would have came out sooner. It's just been raining for literally the past 6 days, so. I also have more car videos, kind of like the previous one about like my GTI in Chicago, stuff like that, more cinematic stuff. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. I see that you guys like that on the channel, so I might just post everything on this main channel here. I'll be doing another video on pretty much all my equipment, how I record the videos, how I get the quality that I do. Subscribe, like. I've never asked for subs before, but after seeing 100, like I want to see how far we can get with this. So yeah, I mean, if you enjoy the content, honestly, just hit the sub. If you don't sub. Simple as that. I don't want you to be here if you don't want to watch the videos that I make. With that being said, stay tuned for more videos on the car, on my camera equipment. Honestly, appreciate the support. Thanks to everybody that's been supporting me and continues to support me on this channel. But yeah, thanks guys. Peace.